Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a refreshing creamy fruit chaat perfect for any occasion. If you are new to our channel, then click on the subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Let's get started. Start by adding 2 packs of cream in a bowl followed by 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1.5 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Mix these ingredients well to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed. Next add 2 teaspoons of sugar and whisk until everything is well combined. Now it's time to add the fruits. Toss in 3 cubed peaches, 1.5 cup of grapes, 4 sliced bananas and 3 chopped apples. Mix gently, make sure all the fruits are nicely coated with the creamy mixture. For the final touch, garnish with 3 tablespoons of crushed almond. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for 3 hours. And there you have it, creamy fruit chaat that is both refreshing and satisfying. Serve it chilled and enjoy. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking.